Hi guys, it's Nancy Jones and today's video is going to be, well, we're going to ignore how disgusting I look, but today's video is going to be my Warner Brothers Studio Tour haul video. This is the third time I have been in the studios and by far the best. I went in 2015, I went in 2017 and obviously I've been in 2018 and it was amazing, so fun. I've known for like a few months now that I've been going, like since February time, and it's cool that this has ended and now I'm like, I was going to be like sad because there's nothing else to look forward to, but I've got Dr. Dolittle and I'm saying that, and then I have New York in May, so that's exciting. I'm going to ignore how I have minimal amount of makeup I have on, but basically I was at London on the Sunday. I went shopping, which will be a whole nother video. But yeah, this video, what I got at the studios, and I can't believe it. Like the last few times I've went, I've got like maybe like one thing or nothing, and this is quite a lot, so bear with me. But yeah, this is my 13th birthday Warner Brothers Studio Tour haul. We're going to start off with this bag. Not into the gift shop things yet. So we started. I got one of the, this year I got one of the Quidditch ones. So there's me. I had to do eyeliner and make on the bus because I didn't know I was going that day. So yeah, and they actually gave me Gryffindor robes and I was very, very pleased. So yeah, I got that. And that was like my little one. So that was actually my birthday. And I'm very glad about that. Oh yeah, and I got to open the Grey Hall doors, which was really good, with a few other people because it was their birthday. Not, you know, say anything, but like I'm pretty sure some people's wasn't actually their birthday. Whatever, it was my birthday and I ended it. This box, which is actually a poster, and if we open it up, I can't believe it, but me, my mum and my dad all got our right houses, and she literally gave us them, and we got, well, we didn't give it to each because I ended up like holding Hufflepuff, my mum ended up holding Ravenclaw, and my dad was holding Gryffindor, so we swapped around. I'm not sure what's happening with my cat. So my mum's a Hufflepuff, I'm a Gryffindor, and my dad's a Ravenclaw. So we got, have you seen these wizards? And I'll do a close one, but like, and it just has that, and I'm gonna get it framed because I actually got like in one of the things I got a Sirius Black poster. So I'm gonna put that next to that. And then finally in this butterbeer cup, I didn't get actual butterbeer because I don't like it, but I always get it anyway. But this year I got butterbeer ice cream, which I did get last year, but I actually put like, I actually got in one of the souvenir cups, so that's gonna go on my shelf. But inside I have this USB, which actually has the making of Harry Potter Warner Bros Studios on it. Has a video of me flying on the broomstick and looking really cool getting to Hogwarts. If you I have my 13th birthday badge in here. I'm a 13, and then I actually got this, and it just says happy birthday from all of them. Do I have to do a vlogger style? Maybe you're happy birthday from all at Warner Bros Studios on. So I got that. It's just like this is a pin, this is clippy on. But I'm happy because I really wanted one of them badges and I got one, and I'm very happy. So yeah. So I have 2 bags left, and this is the gift shop, and this is the one of the like small gift shops. So I looked in the I looked in the Forbidden Forest gift shop. Didn't really see anything that like drew my attention to. So I was gonna get one of the, I was gonna get a toy thing, and it's like this pocket. You do know Barty Crouch Senior when he like pulls up the dragons? I was gonna get one of them and just have random dragons and then like a pouch, but then it's like, no Grace. So basically I'm in the Platform 9 3/4 shop and I got one thing. I just bought this top. It has bits on it because you'll see I got a jumper later, and it has like loads of little white bits on because I wore it on the way back and then it put in the wash. But I just bought this and it says Hogwarts Railway on. Yeah, Hogwarts Railways, and it just has the Hogwarts emblem, and I think it looks really cool. It's just a grey t-shirt. It's quite fitted, but you can like, it's a bit baggy at the bottom, so it's actually quite good. I anticipated it to be a lot more expensive, but then it came out to be. So overall it came to £227, 80 pence. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Obviously it's my birthday money, so I'm not trying to brag. We're going to start off with something I can say first straight away. And I got the Harry Potter artifact box because I have the Hermione Granger one. I'm debating whether I get the wrong one because it's a bit boring. Like, that sounds really bad. It's just a little, yeah, it's a little boring. £35, but you get some great stuff inside. So when I open it, if you want me to do in-depth videos of this, in-depth video of my Hermione Granger and my Harry one, I will. My mum got me this luggage tag from Platform 9 3/4. I forgot about it. It was £8. It just Gryffindor. And then here I have something. This is the one I wanted the most. It's Fred and George Weasley's extendable ear. Yeah, all conversations, and this was £14.95. Yeah, so I'll be using this. But yeah, I was really happy I got this, and it looks so good on my shelf. Moving on, I got a wand, and I knew I was gonna get a wand, but definitely I actually never thought about getting this one, which is, it's actually Professor's wand, which you can probably guess. Like, it's not McGonagall, it's not Umbridge, if you can count her as a professor. I actually got Professor Snape's wand, like Severus Snape's wand. One thing that annoys me is it has the copyright like in gold on a black one, but whatever. I got Snape's. This is my third wand. So far I have a wand from Wizarding World in 2011. I have a wand from York in 2018, and I have a wand from the studios in 2018. And this is a grey box, which is different to the Wizarding World, and I got an Ollivander's box from York. So yeah, this was, how much are they usually? This is £29. I got a Pick Me Puff, which I don't know what I'll do with it, but like, look at the Pick Me Puff, it's so adorable. It was £17 if you just want to. So I then got a Gryffindor scarf, and it's actually one of the official ones, because yeah, it's the maroon one. Like, do you know how they change in I'm not going to try and take the tag off yet, but you know how they change in Prisoner of Azkaban from like, it was like red and then they changed it to this colour. Yeah, I went from red to maroon, but I've got this and I love it because £26.95. So I got Exploding Bonbons. These were £8, but I've actually ate this one and this one, but like I scrunched the wrapper up. I gave my mum one and I ate one when we got back to the hotel room, but it has like the authentic packaging and I love it so much, and that's gonna go on my shelf soon. So yeah, a shelf tour becoming really soon. So I have 30 Pots Everfiller Beans, which I actually have like, oh my gosh, my hair's getting long. I actually have these, but I have like the little packet version, and these are the ones you can get the tour. And yeah, these were £8.95, so I won't be eating these ones more than likely, or I won't eat them much. I'll eat the other ones, but they look really pretty packaging. Right, so here I opened it, but I never ate the chocolate and I never took out the card. So yeah, I opened it. Little disappointing, but you know, it's fine. We'll get over it. I got Rowena Ravenclaw's card. Yeah, and just has stuff about her in the background. I actually got it for £47.95, and this is one of my favourite things ever. I wore it on the way back home and around London yesterday, and it just has Gryffindor on it, and it has the Hogwarts emblem on. I was worried that this would like come off, because I thought this was like, you know, like material that washes off, and you understand me, you get me. But no, it's just sewed on. This like patch is just sewed on. So yeah, it's just a Gryffindor, and I got a medium. I was going to get small, but I got a medium just to be cozy and warm, and this is £47.95, I believe. Something I've been wanting forever. It's in a Noble Collection box, and I'm very happy with it. I got the Slytherin locket, and you can get either the real one or the fake one. I didn't even see the fake one, so I just got whatever she brought out for me. And yeah, this is the Slytherin locket. So yeah, it's just the real one. So yeah, and then when you open it though, it's still there. This is why I bought it, because I can pretend it's not the real one sometimes. And when I can open it, because I want to do a little DIY, and I want to print off DIY, I just want to put in like the little fake, and I have like a fake screen so it goes down. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Warner Bros. Studio tour haul video, and that's all the stuff I got. Yes, I understand it was a lot, and I understand that it was actually quite a bit of money, but I have been saving, and as I said, it has been my birthday, and that was my birthday as well. So yeah, I'm really happy I got to film this video. It's been highly anticipated for me for a while. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. That was a very Jojo Siwa thing to do there. I apologise, really apologise, but you girl's now 13, officially a teenager. Been on this channel since I was 8. But yeah, that's next Wednesday. I was doing another video. Sorry I took a bit of a break recently, but obviously I've had this, and I've had school, and school's been a lot recently. A lot of homework, so yeah. Thank you.